Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The new lower control arms just showed up today. They look fantastic, very solid, built for airbags right here. Should lower the truck about another 3 inches, plus the lowering spindles, which is another 2 inches. That should put our frame about 1 inch off the ground. We're going to be putting these back on the front end of the truck, getting the whole front of the truck back down on 4 tires. That way, the next video we'll be working on the rear forelink, getting the body mounted to the frame and the front click mounted back on. So let's get working. Got the new 2-inch drop spindles in. This would be the passenger side. This here is the driver's side. We're going to get these mounted to the new lower control arms. Get the airbags all put back in. Hopefully get the front end back down on the ground today. Let's do it. Alright everyone, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. We've got the front end completely back together as far as the suspension goes. Next video we're going to be working on mounting the body and the front end back onto the frame, and possibly working on the rear end, so we're either going to one or the other, we'll see. So please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification icon down below for future videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.